Many times, while working on implementing some solution with Oracle Visual Builder, we come across a scenario wherein we have to show the tabular data or more than one information in the select single component, something like this. If you see over here, we are getting the image, name of the person, their department, and the phone number. So this is with respect to the select single component, which we had already covered in our classes earlier. Now, if you are having a similar requirement when you are using the combo box, suppose this is a combo box. If I click on this, apart from the name, I'm seeing the image. And like this, there are two more ways how we can show more than one information in the list of values. That is when using the combo box. Now, coming to the advantages or disadvantages of using combo box and select single, we have already covered in our earlier classes. We are not going to touch upon those concepts like when to use a combo box and when to use the select single. We will see the first case, that is how we can show more than one information, that is apart from the name we can show the icon as well when we click on the list of value over here or in the combo box, that is with the image. And in the subsequent classes we will cover how we can make use of for each bind component and show the data similar like what we show over here. And also we will see what do you mean by option rendering, with the help of which we can achieve the similar use case. So this will be very useful when you want to show more than one information or more than one field in the list of value drop down. So let's get started. Before going ahead and seeing how we can show the images along with the text over here, we will create a combo box, a basic one, in order to refresh our learning. I will be dropping a combo box over here. Click on add options. So here we don't have any data sources. Let me click on this static options. Here I will tell as Internet Explorer. Let me just rename this. So our label and value will be same in this case. Next is the Firefox. Let me copy and paste it over here. One more option is for the Chrome. Let me just copy and paste it over here. Click on finish. Now switch over to the live and click on combo box. We will see the names over here and you can select one among them. Now if you want to modify this, you can just click on this again, create list of static values, and you can modify or add more options. If you just look at this documentation over here in the OJT cookbook, so this is the source code for the same, that is over here up to here. So this demonstrates how to use the combo box with images. If you see, we are having options. So when we drag and drop the combo box one and configure with the help of create static list of options, in the code view, if you see, we are having the option segment as well, similar to what it is shown over here in the OJT cookbook. So we are having a OJ option and value, what it shows over here in the LOV. Now let me just select this and go to the quick start, click on the list of values. Suppose if you are interested in only just the icon, we can just select one of the values over here, something like this. For the Firefox also we can select one. I will be selecting a random icon. Click on select and click on finish. Now if we switch over to the live mode and click on this, we will be getting the icon and the Internet Explorer. But suppose in your case, you want to show some custom data which is not available in the Visual Builder out of the box. Like in this case, we are having an icon inbuilt. So it is adding the span component over here in the HTML, and it is adding the class that is to show the ICO webhook, and here the accessibility and here the action. So if you closely observe over here, they are not making use of any icon class. Rather, what they are using is they are giving a source for the image. So what we can do is we can manually copy and paste like this over here. Let me just copy and paste. So Internet Explorer link we can view from the internet or from the web, wherever you can find the image for the Internet Explorer. I'm already having one link. Let me just override this with this one. Let me just switch over to the live mode and let me just click on this. Now if you see, you are seeing the image and the name, similar to what it is shown here in the OJT cookbook. So similar like that, I have already created a demonstration on this with the page called as with image over here. If I click on this, go to the live mode, and apart from Internet Explorer, I'm getting the Firefox and the Chrome image along with the name. If I show you the source code over here, I have copy pasted exactly similar thing what it is shown over here under the spam. Only difference is I have given the source, that is the complete URL. Also, we can upload the file over here under the resources, that is web apps, under the resources over here and under the images, and you can refer to the images over here under the source. Suppose if you upload the images over here, we can select this span image component, go over to the data section, click on this icon. Here all the images what is available in your application will be visible over here. We can select one among them like this, and we can show the same over here. Now if I just click on this, I am getting this image. So like this we can make use of the images along with the label over here in the combo box one to show more than one information in the list of value when the user clicks on the combo box one component. In our next class, we will see how to achieve the same but with the help of OJ bind for each component.